Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Tina Masai here, and guys, today I want to take you to Karura forest. So if you haven't been to Karura before, or you want to go to Karura and you don't know how to go to Karura, please don't skip this video. Subscribe before you watch, like, comment, and please share to anyone who wants to come to Karura or desire to come to Karura in the near future. So let's go to Karura. You see how it looks like. We call it a day. Don't miss out. We'll go up to the waterfall, yes, and at the caves. Yeah, you'll get to see how the beautiful forest of Karura looks like. So let's go. So guys, this is the entrance from Limuru Road. So let's go and pay, then we get in. So guys, this is Karura forest now, and guys, Karura forest is an urban forest in Nairobi, the capital of Kenya. The forest was gazetted in 1932 and is managed by the Kenya Forest Services in conjunction with the Friends of Karura Forest Community Forest Association. Yes, and this forest is 1041 hectares consisting of three parts separated by Limuru Road and Kiambu Road. If you come here and you get tired, there are these seats here. You just relax, then you continue with your walk, with your run. Yeah, then you go. And I know some people may be asking, what is famous in this Karura forest that people go and see and we only know that it's a forest? And so today, don't skip this video so that you know what is famous. Hi, Mangi. So guys, what is famous in Karura is, one, it provides the ideal backdrop for self-guided cycling expeditions without the confines of a tour guide trails, and also discovering hidden gems and scenic spots along the way. Yeah, this is a place that you can come and connect with the nature. It's so quiet, guys. You only hear the birds only. There is no noise. The air is so fresh. It's so clean. Yeah, so make a move and visit Karura forest. But if you don't always have time to go to these nature walks, to visit, to go and connect with the nature, I'm here. Tour around with me, visit new places with me at the comfort of your office, at the comfort of your couch, and at the comfort of your screens. I, Tina Masai, will take you along. Guys, this is a heaven of peace and natural beauty. Yeah, Karura is an urban forest and the largest in Nairobi. So it's the best place to re-energize. Karura forest lies in the northern part of Nairobi. This forest is a gem of Nairobi with over 50 kilometers of walking, biking, and natural trails. You can imagine. Karura forest is one of the most extensive forests in urban areas and contains a variety of the indigenous tree species, as you can see. And many people know that Karura forest is big. And yes, it's big. So let's talk about the size of Karura forest. One of the best things about Karura forest is its size. The forest spans over 100 hectares, providing ample space for visitors to explore and get lost in nature. This particularly appealing if you love vast landscapes and open spaces. And also, the forest offers a unique opportunity to escape the hustle and bustle of the city life and connect with nature in a serene environment here in Karura. And before we get to the waterfall, let's talk about the wildlife at Karura forest. Yeah, and so Karura forest is a home to a variety of wildlife species. Visitors can go on a guided nature walks or bike rides through the forest where they can spot these animals: 1 mangi, 2 bushbucks, and over 200 bird species. this is a place to come and relax your mind. Just have a nature walk, or you come and run, or you come and rent a bike and you cycle along the forest. But this place is so nice, you connect directly with the nature. Let's see these directions. That is to Kiambu Gate, to Kiambu Road Gate, and to Limuru Gate. Limuru means Limuru Road Gate. Yeah, let's continue. Now we are headed to the waterfalls. So keep watching. Let's go to the waterfall. We see how it looks like, and the caves also. And another thing to remember, when you are coming to Karura Forest, there is no coming with anything plastic, because you see how this forest is clean. So don't come and make the forest dirty. Of course, you can't get into the gate with it. You have to be searched before you get in. After the payment, your bags will be searched. So if you have any plastic bottle, you'll have to leave it at the gate, then you take it when you are going out. Or if it's a soda in a plastic bottle, you either drink it there or decide to leave it there. So don't come and argue at the gate that you are going to return the bottle, whatever. No, it's keeping the environment clean, and I agree with that, and I second them. So as you can see, there is no any kind of dirt. It's only the green grass, the green trees, and these pathways. And when it rains, they get muddy. So when it rains, you come with boots, or rather, if you want to come with sport shoes, it's still okay. Yeah. And anything with a plastic bag or paper, you are not allowed to come in with. Not only bottles, anything plastic, be it paper, be it bottles. No, unless you have your own water bottle, but not the plastic one. Even if it's a plastic one, it has to be a water bottle that you will go with it, because it's a water bottle. Yeah. And for the first time when I came to Karura, I asked why this place is not tarmacked, but I was told it's because of the people who come to hike, people who come to run, people who come to ride the bike. So it can't be tarmacked, but it's still okay the way it is like this. Now let's continue. We are going to the waterfall now. There's another seat here. So if you come, when you get tired, you have to relax. Now let's go to the waterfalls. We see how it looks like. It's getting dark. Let's get there before it gets dark. Then, so that I will show you guys before it gets dark, because I know many people come to Karura Forest and they don't go to the waterfalls or the caves. I'm sure there are people who will watch this video and they have never been to the caves or the waterfall. They just hear. So today I'm here to show you and to tour you around. So stick around, watch the video to the end, and subscribe. Let's go to the waterfall. place is beautiful. Of course, it's a heaven by itself. But do you know that even people come here to pray? You can come for our prayer walk, or even you can be running but praying. But there are people I know they come here walking only for a prayer. Today I'm just shooting a video because I've been coming to Karura and I've not been showing you around. You can even come for a whole day. They open the gates at 6 a.m. in the morning. You can come the whole day. No one will ask you when you stay here until the time you'll get out. You can come here, pray the whole day. You can come here, relax your mind the whole day. You can come here just connecting with the nature the whole day. You can just come here relaxing, thinking about the future, making your future bright by thoughts when you are here. It's a heaven by itself. Yeah. I've been coming to Karura every Monday. It's my routine. So if you come on Monday and you see me, Monday are my days to come here at this place. So every Monday I'm here. I've been coming here, but I've never been showing you around. So today I said, let me show you guys around. Let me tour you guys around. And in a silent place like this, prayers go direct to heaven. You'll feel them. They will go direct to heaven, direct to the Father. Try it. Come and try it, guys. So now I'm here. Let's go to the waterfall. It's a distance, but it has some stairs because it's down there. So follow me as we go to the waterfall. I'm sure many have been to Karura, but not to the waterfall. It's a distance, but I have to tour you around so that you know the directions when you come here. Let's go. Karura is beautiful. I'm sure we will get people down there just connecting with the nature. You see, even these tourists, they come to Karura forest. This one is from the waterfall. Don't get tired. It's a journey down there to the waterfall. My people, I'm here now. This is the first cave, as you can see. Let's get in. This is the first cave, as you can see. That's the cave with some butterflies inside. You can wonder. The first cave. We still have like 2 ahead of us. Look at it. Let's continue to the other cave. Then now we go direct down to the waterfall. Let's go. Now I'm here to the second cave. Not even second, the third cave, actually. Look at it. Inside is dark. That's on top of the cave. Look at these all tall trees. This one is dark. I can't even enter inside because why they put this grill, I don't know. I can't get inside there then. No. These are the caves now, as you can see. These are the opening hours of Karura and the closing hours. You can have a screenshot when you go to Karura. Yeah. That is it. Now it's getting dark. Let me take you guys to the waterfall before it gets dark because it's around 5:30 and I have to be out early. So now we are here at the waterfall, you can hear. So now let me give you a brief history or a brief note about the waterfall. So another highlight of Karura Forest is the nature waterfalls that are scattered throughout the forest. The most popular of this is the Karura waterfall, which is a picturesque spot where visitors can take a dip in the refreshing water or have a picnic with friends and family. Tourists from all over the world will appreciate this natural beauty and the opportunity to cool off in the hot Kenyan weather. That's the waterfall now, guys.
Na hiyo maji iko serious. landed.
And Karura Forest also has a rich history. During the colonial period, the forest was used as a hunting ground by the British, yes. However, after Kenya gained its independence, the forest was reclaimed and turned into a public park. Today, visitors can explore and the historical caves and waterfall that were once used by the Mau Mau freedom fighters during the struggle for independence. After a long walk, now let me lift these tires up. Let me lift 5, then we go. They are heavy. Oh, you fill up to the stomach. That's 1. Oh. Oh, they are heavy. 2, 3 more. Oh. Hey. Look at how big it is. Hey. 3. You fill up to the stomach, guys. 3. 4. Oh, 5. 5 disappear. And in conclusion, Karura Forest is a beautiful natural attraction that has something to offer tourists from all over the world. Its vast size, wildlife, waterfalls, history, and natural reserve make it an ideal destination for anyone looking to connect with nature, learn about different cultures, and have fun and memorable experiences. Yeah, so guys, bye bye. No, before bye bye, this is the exit gate towards the Gigiri, the UN headquarters. So instead of going back to Limuru and I'm going to Ruaka, I had to go to get out from this one, going to the United Nations headquarters, so that I can get to Village Market and take a matatu from there. So I'll have to walk this other distance along the UN to Village Market. This is the map of the Karura Forest.